Multiply 99 by 100 using long multiplication. Since the order of the factors does not change the product, write 100 on top and 99 on the bottom to use fewer partial products. Start with the ones digit, 9. 9 times 0 is 0. The next digit is also 0, so that column is 0 too. 9 times 1 is 9. The first partial product is 900. Now use the tens digit, 9. Start one place to the left. 9 times 0 is 0. The next digit is also 0, so that column is 0 too. 9 times 1 is 9. The second partial product is 9,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the hundreds column, 9 plus 0 is 9. In the thousands column, bring down 9. The product of the whole numbers is 9,900, so 99 times 100 is 9,900.